Good morning, students. Welcome you all in grammar class. Our today's topic is active and passive. We have already discussed the rules related to voice, how we can convert active voice into passive voice. Today we are going to discuss classroom assignment 63 related to voice. Here is our first exercise. We have to identify and underline the subject, verb and object from the following sentences. Note is also given here. In some sentences there may not be any object. कुछ sentences ऐसे भी हैं जिनमें object नहीं है. All the sentences are in active form. सभी sentences active form में हैं. First one is Abhi is subject, flies is verb and kites is object. In the second one, the girls, that's our subject. Were singing, that's our verb. Here, no object is given. In the third sentence, you is subject. Can't break, that's our verb. And the law is our object. Same as just write subject, verb and object in the following sentences. Now move to the B exercise. In this exercise, we have to write A against active voice and P against passive voice. In this first sentence, Monica broke the vase. That's our active voice. In the passive voice, by is written here. So and also verb third form is used here. That's why that's our passive voice. In the second sentence, first one is active voice because verb first form and ing is there. In the second sentence, at the place of ing, being is used here. Next sentence, has been. We use been in passive voice with has, have and had. So our first sentence is in passive form and second sentence relates to active voice. Same as just fill this exercise. Now moving to C part. In this part, we have to fill in the blanks following sentences with suitable object and subject. Active voice के subject और object को convert करना है. A poem is our object and it becomes subject of passive voice. A poem is read by me. Second, Renu admires you. You are admired by Renu. Why are is used here? Because verb first form is used here. With verb first form, we use helping verb is MR. Next exercise. In this sentence, verb second form is used here. So, was is used as helping verb in passive form. In fourth sentence, comics is our subject of passive voice. She becomes her. Him becomes he and you remains you. Because you were you. You को हम you में ही convert करेंगे. They becomes them and the kites is our subject. In next 7th sentence, God is subject and anyone is object. In the 8th one, the snake is our subject and he becomes him. Now moving to the next D exercise, we have to underline the correct form of verb given in the brackets. In first one, this house is singular, that's why we use was here. In the second sentence, the letters are plural, that's why we use were here. In the next third sentence, this carpet is singular, that's why we use is helping verb. Next fourth one, with I we use am. In the fifth sentence, no matters if our subject is singular or plural because had is used in the active voice, that's why we use had in the passive voice. In the next sentence, with I we use have. In 8th sentence, an ambulance is singular, that's why we use is here. In the last sentence, with I we use am as an helping verb. If you got the exercise, then just click on like button, and if you are having any doubt, just write your doubts in comment section.